Google Pixel 2 gets a major upgrade as Android 9 Pie launches today. Google Pixel 2 has received a major upgrade after the tech giant announced the flagship will be eligible for an upgrade to Android 9 Pie today. After much anticipation from Android fans, the newest version of the software was finally named by Google, as it declared the original Pixel and Pixel 2 hardware would be the first to experience the update. Google started rolling out Android Pie to Pixel owners yesterday. Android Pie brings a host of new features that will radically change how people use their smartphones. The software introduces a new feature that allows work applications to be separated from personal ones. The useful tool is part of Google's push towards what it is calling digital well-being. The tech giant claims the new initiative will help people disconnect, as they can simply turn off work applications when they are not in the office. But digital well-being is more than just differentiating between work and social apps. Google is also introducing a dashboard with the latest Android version that will help users monitor their device usage. Google hopes Android lovers will make note of the time they spend on their device and adjust their behaviors accordingly. A new Do Not Disturb mode is also part of the tech giant's new push. Although these features are some of the most standout in Android Pie, they are not fully fledged just yet. So Pixel and Pixel 2 owners are only able to experience these additions in a beta program if they choose to sign up. A new feature duly named Slices will also come to Android Pie later. This will allow sections of an app to appear when the user starts typing into Google. Theoretically, this means the user should be able to start typing Uber into Google search and receive prompts that will allow them to immediately request a cab without having to open the app itself. Gestures also play a big part in Android 9 Pie, with Google insisting they are necessary as phones grow taller and it's more difficult to get things done on your phone with one hand. Instead of featuring traditional home, back and window buttons at the bottom of the screen, devices using Android Pie will be better off using a single home button that supports swiping gestures, according to the tech giant. It said, with a single, clean home button, you can swipe up to see a newly designed overview, the spot where at a glance you have full screen previews of your recently used apps. Swipe up from anywhere to see full screen previews of recently used apps and simply tap to jump back into one of them. Although Android 9 Pie is only initially available for original Google Pixel and Pixel 2 smartphones, the tech giant appears eager to get the new software on as many new devices as possible. It declared, starting today, an over-the-air update to Android 9 will begin rolling out to Pixel phones and devices that participated in the beta program from Sony Mobile, Xiaomi, HMD Global, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus and Essential, as well as all qualifying Android One devices, will receive this update by the end of this fall. We're also working with a number of other partners to launch or upgrade devices to Android 9 this year.